Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we are going to be diving deep into GBPJPY chart. I know what it is. Last week, there have been a lot of ups and downs on this pair. If you go back to my previous video, my previous analysis for GBPJPY, that was the video I make the week before the last week, you will realize that the market have really played out 80% if not 70% of the time. But for this week, we're gonna be doing something different. I have good news for you guys. Guess what? Before I tell you the good news, let me tell you this. You really don't want to miss this, so I will tell you to watch this video to the end because a lot of goodies coming on the way. So I went into a trading competition on a prop firm account called Atmos, and their rules was very strict, and for you to be on top of the dashboard you have to make 100% of this account. That was crazy. Before now, I've already go through their previous competition and I've lost for like 2 times. This is the third time I'm going in their competition. Out of 5,000 persons that contested on this challenge, 21 persons came out. That's crazy. Out of all the Nigerians that I saw that were ahead of me, which I already lost, but surprisingly I was one of the people that win this account. So guys, good news, I just won a $5,000 prop firm account. So the thing is that I'm going to try my best to make sure I document all my journey based on this account. So I will love you to subscribe. Please subscribe. Your subscription is really going to help me to make. Okay, that being said, let's go to the chart. Let's go to the business of the day, and let's see what market is going to be doing next week on GBPJPY. We are on the chart right now. This is GBPJPY, and first of all, I'm going to be taking you to the account that I've been trading. You can see I'm down like I think $30 already on this account. So this is the history of the trade I've taken for 2 days or 3 days now that I've taken trades on this account, and this is just what it is. So first of all, you can see this trade I entered on Euro USD. I entered for a sell. This trade gave me, I just fucked up on this trade that I later gave me a -$3 here. You can see the lot size I used $0.50 with a very good risk management. Risk management actually make me to go out of this trade, but I didn't apply a good trade management. You guys should know that we have risk management, we have trade management. Risk management is the ability for you to protect your capital, and why trade management is for you to be able to exit or take profit before the trade goes against you, you know. I'm supposed to like adjust my SL to a certain profit level, but instead I adjusted my SL to break even, which price gave me $75 plus before coming to my SL, coming to my entry and taking me out of the trade. So I was really mad at this trade on Euro USD. I was really mad. I think the same thing happened on GBPJPY. I took this trade on GBPJPY, and the trade actually gave me this GBPJPY trade gave me like I think the trade gave me up to 30, I think up to almost 40 something dollar. Yeah, that trade gave me 40 something dollar, but I exited the trade. Why? Because the trade come back, the market came back to hit my SL that I actually adjusted to the break even. So my break even that I adjusted on GBPJPY was, I think, this $20. Yeah, $20. Why my Euro USD I adjusted it to the entry level. So price came. This was a 1 day trade. I would have gotten a lot of pips, a lot of money. I would have made like 40 or $35 on this. I would have made like $75 on this, and it could have been a profit for me. But because of the fact that, oh my god, I was really crazy. I was really mad when I saw this. But it's all good. The next day price gave me an opportunity on Euro USD here, which I entered for a buy, and price came back, hit my SL, which this Euro USD trade actually went against my system, and that's, I shouldn't say that's the reason, but it's actually more of the reason why I hit SL on this trade, which I entered at an Asian section, which I'm not supposed to enter. Euro USD on Asian section, but the setup was so promising that I couldn't resist, and I went into the position, which I promised myself I was never going to try that again. Now the next day, which is in the morning, GBPJPY gave me a setup, so I went in for a sell, and the market was already giving the sell vibes. I'm also going to show you this trade on the chart. This GBPJPY trade, this was the Friday trade I took. This was the trade I took on Friday. These two GBPJPY trades I took it on Friday on this account. The first sell I went into this trade, it was a promising sell, and I went in some position, and price came and swept me out of the trade, sweeping the liquidities of sellers, and later rejected the downside. I re-enter again, but this time around I reduced my lot size to 0.20, as you can see here, which price went to my TP. You can see the green signal here. It means that this price hits TP. So I'm going to show you this trade on the chart. So let me move down to the 15 minutes time frame. So Okay, 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, so this was it. You can see this fall down, this fall to the downside. I took this trade. Now this is where I took the trade here. I got my signal at this point. This was the first signal I got, and I went in for a sell, and my SL was somewhere around this psychological level, and price came take me out, take this liquidity out, because there are many sellers that have already been eating up a sell here. So price came. This was a sweep, and after seeing this sweep, I see price still rejection to the downside. I know this is a possible sell because of the higher time frame diagonal resistance. So I went in for the sell here. When I went in for the sell here, and price, it wasn't even up to 30 minutes. Look at how the market pushed down and hit my TP, and I was out of the trade. I was really mad at myself, like, wow, why didn't price just push down and give me a nice profit? But it is what it is. I'll go again next week. So this is what happened throughout the next week. So now GBPJPY, I'm already projecting a very nice market movement for next week. So you see already price is already giving some vibe here. Maybe next week the price should come back to this level. We'll be looking at for buy. So let's go to the daily time frame and see and check what we should be looking at for, and the reason why we should be going in for any position for next week. On to keep your chart as simple as this, because complicating chart always will make your entry complicated. Now looking at this point, there is a level here, a level of concentration here, which is a channel line at this point. There's a channel line at this point. So okay, I think I lock this profile. Let me open it. Okay, there's a channel line here. Those price have been respecting, and finally price just broke below this channel line, which is also a signal that this market should be dropping to the downside. There is an higher time frame channel line from the 1 hour time frame, so it shows that the market is showing some signal of dropping to the downside. You can see how it is. So price break below this channel line and came back to retest. So this is like a retest at this point. There's already been a retest here, but I think this is the main retest at this level, and what we should be looking at for sell to the downside, we want to be selling this market to up to this level, 195,500 psychological level. So for that reason, getting this already, we'll go to the 4-hour time frame. Now looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see how price have been respecting this level. Price touched here, bought to the upside, touched here, sell to the downside, and now there is the second time price is coming to this level and it sells to the downside just like that. So market have been showing some kind of nice market movement. So we are also waiting for price to get to our levels for us to take positions on GBPJPY. So I'm just gonna add this level here. I'm just gonna add I think that is I'm just going to make a psychological level around this point, because it's relevant. Price might come to that level and give us a signal for a push to the upside. So now this is like a retracement. The buy to the upside is a retracement, and this is the main sell. So price give us confirmation at 19900. We are selling to the downside because this market is pretty much bearish, so we want to be of more sales. So guys, let's scaling down to the 1 hour time frame. You can see the sweet market movement. So any buy you want to be taking on GBPJPY, it should just be a short buy, because have it at the back of your mind that we are in a bearish trend. So looking at this point here, if price gets to 19900, we should be selling to the downside. So let me bring out my arrow. Let me show you what I mean. So if price gets to this point, guys, if price gets to this point, then we should be looking at to sell this market to the downside, guys. Should looking at to sell this market to the downside. So if market comes and give us this to this point, we should look for a confirmation. This is because this would be like a retest. We're gonna be eating this. I promise you guys, I'm gonna be updating you guys as well on this trade, because I'm gonna be eating a very nice lot size at this point, and I'm targeting price to sell up to this point. It's gonna be a very nice sell. So whatever buy signal price is gonna be giving here, I think I'm gonna be avoiding it, because the market is bearish. So this is my sell target, 19900. So I'm also going to drop this on my Telegram channel. So you have not joined my Telegram channel, to where to do that, go to the description of this channel. It has the description of my channel. You will see all my social media handle where you can connect with me, and also you'll see the broker I use and the prop firm I use, and you as well see my Telegram link there. You can click there, join my Telegram channel, because I drop a lot of forex education on those channel. So guys, this is what we should be looking at for GBPJPY. More sales to the downside. I'm looking at more sales to the downside. The market is really promising. No, I'm a GBPJPY trader, so I love this pair. There's a lot about this pair that people don't really know, and I focus more on this pair because it gives me a lot of profit. So I just pray that next week is going to be great. Next week is going to be sweet. So it's like a more good thing that price is at this level. I just know that okay, tomorrow, which is I'm making this video on Sunday, so next week price will just have to do what it has to do to get to this point and give me a confirmation. Then I'm going to be selling down to this point. So I'm going to take my time. I'm also going to be careful, because you never know what the market might do. And you guys should always know that Monday market on GBPJPY is always volatile. If we should go back to the history, let me lock this up so that it won't be giving us issue. So I'm going to be locking this, right? You guys should know that GBPJPY every Monday is always volatile. Now let me take you to what I mean by what I'm saying right now. GBPJPY on Monday is always volatile. So this is Friday, this is Thursday, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, and this is Monday. Okay, I think this Monday wasn't volatile. This is Friday, this is Thursday, this is Wednesday, this is Tuesday, this is Monday. There's always a clinch on Monday. There's always a clinch, a push to the upside on Monday. There's always a move that bro, you have to be careful when trading on Monday. So you have to know that this was also a Monday move. You can see this was a Monday move to the downside. This is a Monday move. So whenever it's Monday, you have to trade carefully, because the this thing, there's always high possibility of a drop down. You can see all this drop down, it happens on Monday. Monday. There's always a volatility in the market. You can see Monday, market move to the downside. It's Monday. So there's Monday price move. You can see. So whenever it's Monday like this, there's always a push. You can see Monday. You can see how price pushed up. So whenever it's Monday like this, there's a volatility. So we are expecting to cash up the market on that volatility, on the volatile of the market on Monday. So guys, stay tuned till Monday. Make sure if you're going to subscribe, make sure you do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell, so that you will be notified whenever I drop a video like this. So this is Green FX, and I'm signing out.